On the Nile, where the desert meets the sky, Egypt's spirit rises, reaching high. With Edu-Next-AI, we're lighting the way, innovation and learning, a brand new day. Hack the future with Edu-Next-AI, shaping tomorrow, let our visions fly. AI-powered learning, bold and true, instructional design, the future's with you. The hackathon calls, it's the final stage. Ideas and solutions take center stage. From Egypt to the world, together we rise. Edu-Next-AI with hope in our eyes. Hack the future with Edu-Next-AI, shaping tomorrow, let our visions fly. AI-powered learning, bold and true, instructional design, the future's with you. The hackathon calls, it's the final stage. Ideas and solutions take center stage. From Egypt to the world, together we rise. Edu-Next-AI with hope in our eyes. The future's with you.
Hello everyone, we are communication masters, 4 lady teachers of different subjects and from different stages, elementary, preparatory and secondary. When we discussed together the ideas about our hackathon projects, we agreed that the project must solve a problem that we all face in our classroom with different ages of students. So we come out with that the most common problem we encounter with our students related to communication skills. Our project is using AI to enhance communication. Let me tell you our story. Every year, we meet new students who have communication problems and challenges. As teachers, we noticed that with our students, through their hesitation, fear, their unclear expressions, through their lackness of confidence, and their feelings and look towards English language as an obstacle, that they can't express their feelings or thoughts through it. We thought that in order to solve these problems, we should use artificial intelligence tools that we have known in Edu-Next program and apply them in our new educational curriculum. Why did we choose artificial intelligence? Because it provides personalized training, immediate feedback, and interactive exercises that help the students to improve their fluency and clarity of speech and expand their vocabulary. This makes the learning process more effective and realistic. To achieve that, we decided to be realistic and choose a book from our new curriculum. We agreed to choose the English language book for the 4th grade of primary stage. When we opened the book, we found that the first lesson in the first unit is a conversation. Teachers in schools usually deal with conversation as a text, and in the best circumstances, there is an audio file of the conversation that the students can listen to, or the teacher can read the text and discuss new words, expression, or grammar rule with the children. We decided to refuse this and to turn it into lively and real situation, so that the students feel it's a part of the life and they can use this language in their life. We thought we would turn the conversation into avatars. Miss Nagla Fathi, English supervisor in Girga and teacher educator at British Council, created an avatar of a teacher explains the problem we face in our classes. And this is the result.
My students don't want to practice English inside the classroom. They can't understand what I mean.
I want to encourage them to participate, read conversation and answering questions. After that, we ask Miss Nagla how we can generate or create this avatar. She tell us she used Adobe Express. Miss Nagla used the Adobe Express to generate an image with specific features and turned it into a video with special script. This step encouraged Miss Hanan, math teacher in Allimni School, to turn this conversation from our book, from a text, to a live cartoon, as students like cartoon movies and they try to imitate characters inside the movie. So, Miss Hanan generate this lovely video for us.
Good morning, children. What a beautiful day in the school garden.
Good morning, Miss Mona. What will we learn today?
Today we'll learn about our amazing senses.
What are senses, Miss Mona?
She generated this lovely video using OpenArt site. First of all, she creates the image by deciding the number of characters, their features, and the setting in the pictures according the script in the school book. Then she take the book script copy, put it in the script editor, and let the site generate this lovely video to us. When the students see this video, each one choose a character and role play the conversation as they imitate the cartoon movie. After that, the listen to is a text. The text talk about something related to the unit theme. What are the objectives behind the reading text? The objectives are enhancing the main four skills of English language: listening skill, speaking skill, reading skill, and writing skill. Reading text basically aim to enhance speaking and reading skills. To do so, I think a lot how we can manage that. Students have fear to speak up in English, or shyness, or talk in front of others, afraid of others' reactions. So students counter these all problems. Teacher should guide them to deal with these by practicing speaking firstly on websites or applications to break their fear and to interact happily. They notice their improvement, they can engage them with their colleagues inside classroom. I, Miss Salwa, English teacher in a primary stage and teacher educator at British Council, searched for websites and application tools deal with conversation enhancement. I found 3 websites: Array, Bold Voice, and Yodlee. The most interesting site and beneficial one is Array. Why I liked Array more? Because Array analyze first the level of user. So it conduct a baseline assessment. So we can track the level of user by asking some questions. Which skill want to improve? Why you want to improve this skill? Who are your audience? After that, the site give the user some question. The user should upload his own voice file. Then the site analyze the speech. How much the user was confident, the fillers, the consensus, the pass, and more details about his words and the transcript of his words. If the student practice it regularly, will learn from his mistakes and become better. How the teacher make use of this site? By asking her or his students to practice speaking on the website and to follow the progress. That leads the students to improve his skills and gain self-confidence, which encourages the student to engage and interact inside his own small group, then later will involve it inside the whole class. Now we have part 2 of lesson 2, which is grammar. Teachers usually teach grammar by write down a model sentence on the board and highlight the verb changes or sentence structure and discuss them with the students, give examples, play some games or activities. But Miss Rasha Abdelgawad, school deputy at Mansoura Language School, and she is teacher educator at British Council, does just deal with this lesson with different way. She tell us she will turn the grammar lesson into avatar, generate avatar cartoon as a teacher explain a grammar rule to her students. So the whole group asked Miss Rasha how she can achieve this. She made this by a website and the application called Polygon. Polygon site generate cartoon characters. So Miss Rasha generate this lovely video for us. Let's watch it.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Today, we are going to learn about the present simple tense. Can anyone tell me what the present simple is used for?
I think it's when we talk about something that happens every day.
After that, we move to lesson 3, which is a story. Miss Nagla mentioned that she know that Gemini has a tool called the Gemini Storybook that turned any text to a storybook, which has cartoon characters with special voices that attract students to hear and read the story anytime. This is Gemini Storybook site. Miss Nagla took the text story and turned it into cheerful e-storybook by taking a story text and put it into Gemini with mentioning that Gemini should keep the same character's name and the same events. Gemini generate a storybook which has cartoon characters with special voices that attract students to hear and read the story anytime. Let's watch our story.
His stomach rumbling like a distant drum. He wished he had a shiny coin or two to buy a warm, crusty bread. Suddenly, a most wonderful smell wafted past his nose.
The conclusion is all tools we tried and used aim to grab students' attention and create safe and comfy educational environment that lead the students to be more self-confident and learn and practice English language easily and in fun way. These are the websites and tools we used. We hope you find our projects valuable to every teacher in our beloved country, Egypt.
On the Nile, where the desert meets the sky, Egypt's spirit rises, reaching high. With Edu-Next-AI, we're lighting the way, innovation and learning, a brand new day. Hack the future with Edu-Next-AI, shaping tomorrow, let our visions fly. AI-powered learning, bold and true, instructional design, the future's with you. The hackathon calls, it's the final stage. Ideas and solutions take center stage. From Egypt to the world, together we rise. Edu-Next-AI with hope in our eyes. Hack the future with Edu-Next-AI, shaping tomorrow, let our visions fly. AI-powered learning, bold and true, instructional design, the future's with you. The hackathon calls, it's the final stage. Ideas and solutions take center stage. From Egypt to the world, together we rise. Edu-Next-AI with hope in our eyes. The future's with you.